Good evening, friends. Welcome back. Today we are going to solve the exercise of AI of grade 6th. Publication name is EduSoft. So the first lesson which has been there, that is introduction to AI, and of the same lesson we are going to solve the exercise. So now just check here all the answers I am showing. Kindly check the answers properly. The first question, that is select the correct answer. The first question which has been there, that is the process of learning and answers are dash. So the first answer will be both C and D. Sorry, C and B. The second one, are intelligence help in which of the following? So that is all of this. Then the third one, to solve different type of problem, different type of dash is required. So the different type of intelligence is required. The fourth question, that is people with which type of intelligence make the great writer and poets. So the answer is verbal. We already have learned in the lesson that the verbal intelligence, those persons who have the verbal intelligence, they can become in future writers or the poets. Then the fifth one, find the odd man out. So the answer, it is interpersonal, that is the B one. Now students, we are going to see about the exercise, that is the match the column. So here you can see in the match the column, the first one which has been there, that is the verbal intelligence, and the first one answer is B, that is love reading, writing, compose poetries and orators. So this is the first one answer. The second one is the logical intelligence, and its answer is H. So H, which is means as drive conclusion from the facts, a good analysis. So that will be answer. C1, that is special intelligence. So the C1 answer is A, that is good at reading, map designing things and animators. Then the fourth one, that is the musical intelligence, that already we know that it is these people become a composer, singers and a good listener. So that will be C. Then the fifth one, that is a kinesthetic intelligence. So its match will be G, means outgoing, dynamic, like to explore the things themselves. That will be the answer of kinesthetic intelligence. Then the sixth one, that is a interpersonal intelligence. I have told you that interpersonal means such people have a good social circle, strong communication skills. So that will be again F. Then the seventh one, that is a naturalist intelligence. So its answer is E. E means empathetic feelers and philanthropics. Then the eighth one, that is the interpersonal intelligence. Now interpersonal intelligence, it is D1. They are mostly quite spiritual thinkers and painters. While teaching this lesson also I have told you that this intrapersonal means those people who wanted to be alone, they live the life alone. Okay, so that will be coming under the intrapersonal intelligence. So I will again repeat the entire sequence of the answers. First one will be B, second one will be H, then the third one you can see here I have just marked. First one B, second one H, third one will be A, fourth one C, fifth one G, sixth one F, seventh one E, and eighth one D. So these are the answers of the match the column. Now let's see about the true and false. The first answer which they okay, now let's start with the right in the correct style. What are the correct style that you have to mention? Like the first question is, these learner have the strong ability to visualize the images. So these are the visual learners. The first answer is visual. The second, good listener and possesses strong concentration. So it will come in a oral, that is AURL, oral. Then the third one, fond of reading and writing, and they visualize well. So this will come in verbal and written. The last one, that is like to involve in practical implementation and concept. So that will be kinesthetic. So these are the answers of that learning style. Now let's start about true or false. The first one, some people are intelligent while some are utter fools. True. Definitely some people are good while some people do not know anything. So that will be true. The second one, computer only knows the English language. False. Computer is been working on a binary language first. Okay, it understands the binary language. So the second one will be false. The third one, computer are faster but not smarter than the human brains. Wrong. That will be false. Third one is false because the human have created them, not the computers. So we have developed the computers. That is why the human brains are sharper than the computers. So the answer will be okay. What will be the answer? Are not smarter means they are not smarter. So it will be true. Then, fourth one, everyone is intelligent in different ways. Definitely, it is true. Everyone is intelligent on its own way. Then the last one, people can have the multiple intelligence. That is also true. So only the second one is false. Rest all it is true. Now question answers. First question, what do you mean by learning? So now you have to go on page number 10. Here we can go on page number 10 and here you can see last two lines. Are you able to see? These are the two lines. Like from here, from learning you have to start and you will be ending at again, that will be about the styles. So here from learning till style, that is learning is perceiving facts and analyzing them into extract meaningful information and conclusions. This learned information adds to our intelligence. They are of four major learning styles. Now which are four learning major style, that also you can write here. Only the highlighted point or the head points you can write, that is visual, oral, verbal and written, and last one is the kinesthetic. These are the four different learning styles. Now let's go to the next question. The next question which they have asked us, that how do you say that all the people are intelligent in the different ways? Yes, this answer you can write on your own. As you know that all the people, the different peoples have been working, they got the unique brains, they are doing their own work, they are expert in one or the other things. So that is why every person can't be good in sports, some may be good in studies. So in this way we can just come to the conclusion that every people are intelligent in different ways. So in this way you can just write the answer. Third one, where does the intelligence come from? How does it helps us? So this answer is there on page number 9. You have to go on page number 9. Here on top you can see, okay, it is been highlighted there. Intelligence come from learning. Intelligence is used to draw the conclusion and solve the problems. To solve different types of problem, different types of intelligence is needed. So that will be answer number E3. Now the last answer we are going to talk about, the last question which has been there. Sorry, yes, the second last question which has been there, that list various type of intelligence. Just now I have told you that there are various type of intelligence. These highlighted points you have to write. The first type, that is the verbal intelligence. The second is the logical intelligence. The third one is the spatial intelligence. The fourth one is the kinesthetic intelligence. Then you can see on the other page, that is the musical intelligence, interpersonal intelligence, intrapersonal intelligence, and naturalist intelligence. So these are the various type of intelligence. This answer you can write, only the highlighted points you have to write there. And let's move to the last question, that is write one trade each of four styles. Okay, so write one trade each of the four learning styles. So what are the traits? Here you can see the traits which have been there. So you can write any one at which are traits. It's like the verbal, they are good in speaking. If I want to like about the logical, so that also I can write that these are very good in solving the maths. Spatial, they are the good observers. Then talk about the kinesthetic. It means these people's love the moment or the touch. They wanted to do their work on their own self. For example, if the practical has been shown on the this entire TV or television, they will be not interested in that. They wanted to go there in the lab itself and they wanted to do their practical on their own self. So that what makes the kinesthetic intelligence. So in this way you can just write about the traits of that any for intelligence. So in this way we have completed the entire lesson. I hope you all got those things. Still, if there is any query, you can contact us. Our number is 917-515-8245. I repeat, 917-515-8245. Thank you.